Hello friends, welcome to Prismatics online class. In today's class, we are going to look at matrices equation. Okay, example on the board. That says question 1. Solve the following equation. Now let's solve what? A. Solution what? A. Solution A. Now what do we have? That x plus 1, 2 into what? 2x minus 1, 3 into all equal to 4. Now what do? We multiply this time this minus this time this, which is now 3 into what? X plus 1 minus 2 into 2x minus what? 1. Close it. Is it equal to 4? Now let's go. 3 times x will give us 3x. 3 times 1 will give us what? Plus 3. Minus 3 times, minus 2 times 2x will give us what? 4x. Minus 2 times plus 1 will give us plus 2. All equal to 4. Now collection of what? Like term, CLT. Now what we have now is 3x minus 4x plus 3 plus 2 equals to 4. Now this is equal to what? 3x. 3x minus or 4x will give us what? Minus x plus what? 5. It's equal to what? 4. Now what do we do here? We make x the subject of the formula, which is minus x is equal to minus x equal to what? 4 minus 5. Minus x is equal to minus what? 1. Now make x the subject of the formula by dividing both sides by the coefficient of what? Minus 1. Dividing the both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x, which is minus 1, all over what? Minus 1. This will cancel, this will cancel. Hence, x is equal to what? 1. If you substitute x here, you are going to generate another matrix. 1 plus x is 1. 1 plus 1 will give us what? Let's just say 2. Now 2. 2 times x, which is 1. 2 times 1, which is what? 2. Minus 1 will give us 1 into what? 3. If we solve this, if you generate this by looking at the determinant, if you get the determinant of this, will it give out 4? Let's try. 2 times 3 minus 2 times 1 equal to 4, which is 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And that is the proof. And that is how to solve what? A matrices equation. That is how to solve what? A matrices what? Equation. So now let's go. Okay. Let's look at the solution D. Solution D. This solution D, we have 3x plus 3x minus 2 into what? Into what? 2 and 1 into what? 2x plus 1. Close it. Is it equal to 1? Now solving this time this minus this time this, which means 3x minus 2 multiplied by 2x plus 1. Close it. Minus what? Bracket what? 1 times 2. Close it. Is it equal to 1? Now what do we have? We have 3x into 2x plus 1 minus 2x minus 2 minus 2 into 2x plus 1. Close it. Minus 2 times this, which is what? 2 is equal to 1. Now let's go. 3 times 2x will give us 6x squared. 3x times 2x will give us 6x squared. 3x times 1 will give us plus 3x. 2 times 2x will give us minus 4x. Minus 1 times this will give us minus 1. Minus 2. Minus 2 times 1 will give us minus 2. Minus what? 2 is equal to 1. Collection of what? Like terms, CLT. Now what do we have? We have 6x squared. 3x minus 4x will give us minus what? X. Minus 4. Minus 2 will give us minus 4. Equal to what? 1. Finally, what do we have? 6x squared minus x minus 4 minus 1 is equal to 0, which is 6x squared minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. So that is it. So it will lead us to what we call the quadratic equation. So we are going to resolve it either by what? Completing square method, or by almighty formula, or by factorization method. Now let's go. I hope you are done here. Let's just resolve this equation. Now, okay, continue. Let's choose factorization method. Okay. How do we factorize 6x squared minus x minus 5 equal to 0? Well, we have to multiply this like this and this to this, which will give us what? Minus 30x squared. So we are going to look at the factors of minus 30x squared, which will give us now this. Minus 6 times 5 will give us minus 30. Minus 6 plus 5 will give us minus 1. And the coefficient of it is this. So our factors are 6x squared minus 6x plus 5x minus 5 is it equal to 0. Partition them, which is 6x squared minus 6x into bracket 5x minus what? 5 all equal to 0. Now this is 6x, factor 6x out, which is 6x into what? X minus what? 1, close it, into what? 5 into what? X minus 1, all equal to 0. So having done that, so what do we do again? We continue here, which this is 6x plus 5 into what? X minus 1 equal to 0. Now 6x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is it equal to 0. Finally, we have 6x is equal to minus 5, or x equals to what? 1. What do we have? Divide both side by this. Divide both side by this. Divide this. Also, hence, our s is equal to minus 5 over 6, or x equals to what? 1. So x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 5 over 6 are the solutions of the equation on the board. Thanks and God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Prismatis Online Class. Bye. And solve the remainder, C and what? B and C. And drop it at the comment section. God bless you. Bye-bye.